Hi, I'm Zach Harding. I'm with Quality Craftsmen, and I really enjoy being able to work for a company like Quality Craftsmen because I'm able to influence and help so many people in the home. We put in safe showers and easy access showers, which is awesome because with elderly folks or with even disabled people, we can really make a positive effect in their house. This makes their life a lot easier. I had so many homeowners where they're getting to the point where they have to have a great easy access to the shower, and we're able to help them out, put a nice low profile shower in there for them to be able to get in and out safely, so they don't slip and fall. So it's really great. We can get those installed quickly, efficiently, with a high degree of quality, and I really appreciate that, and my customers really appreciate that too as well. There's so many instances of this where I'm able to help people, and that's what we're all about here. And just the family to work for, Zet and Mary, they really care about that homeowner as well. So it's just a great experience being able to work here, and